Man, where's Jack? He's supposed to be here by now.
Hey, dude.
What,
Come
dude?
on, gotta go to Grandpa's. My house just got finished.
Oh, come on, let's go.
Dude, look at my cool new sword.
Nice. I have one just like that.
Yep, look at my color.
We have the same color sword.
No, but mine's red for me. Mine's red with a black handle.
Come on, Jack. Where's your base, Jack?
It's just across from yours.
Oh, cool. Is this your base over here?
It's my home.
Wow, you're completely finished. Hey, I caught base, alright? Military terms. Are you completely finished?
No, not yet.
You don't even have any trees.
I gotta
in
go
this
sell some stuff. I'll be back in a minute.
Okay, I'll be here. Gonna get some stone when I'm here. I should wait now. I can climb up this rope. Oh, there's a bunch of monsters in here. I better go slay them. Ghost.
Hey, Jeff, up there. Jeff.
Where are you, Jack? Oh, hey, Jack. What are you doing?
Pause it now.
Ah, I fell. My leg.
Pause it.
I'm kidding. I'm fun. I'm a hardcore parkour master.
Pause the TV. Pause it.
Hey, Jack, I'm gonna go fight some mobs, alright?
Okay. Pause it. Pause the TV.
Again.
Hey, dude, I just came back. I dragged you over back to your base.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go plant some trees and stuff.
Okay.
My chickens are hungry. I need some grass.
You do realize it's called wheat, right?
Wheat, whatever it is.
Dude, what color axe do you have?
I have a diamond.
So do I. I got a red sword. I have a diamond pickaxe.
So, Jack, you see all the chickens I have?
Yes, I do. I have as much as you, though.
I have one more than you.
Okay, then I'm already finished. I can't get any more.
What are you doing, Jack?
I'm watching your cats. They're going very slow.
Hardcore parkour.
Oh, you're planning to go? You know what? Get to the house.
What? Where are we going?
Get to the house.
The bakery?
Go there, and then I'll meet you at my house.
Jack wanted me to meet him over here, so I better go find him. Whoa, I almost just fell off the bridge. Jack, where are you?
Hey, dude, I'm behind you. Actually, no, never mind. I'm above you.
Where are you, Jack?
I'm up over by my mob farmer.
Oh, there you are, Jack. Goodbye, Jack. I'm going back to my base. Okay, so back on my base. Jack should be here any minute. Let me get some grass.
Wait, dude, you said I was going to your base?
Shh. Okay.
Dude, I'm over on the top of the blacksmith.
I should get some seeds from these leaves.
Hey, dude, look, I'm at the up at the top of the tree.
What are you doing up there? Get down, you're gonna hurt yourself. Let me harvest wood in peace.
Ah!
Did you just jump, Jack? Jack, my wood just went flying off the edge.
Enough. Thanks for you for throwing down that rope fast enough.
You're welcome. I got you back, homie. No. Man, Jack, get down. You're lucky I threw that rope down fast enough, or else you would have been dead.
I steal your eggs. It don't work.
Yeah, you can't do that.
You need a little more wheat.
Get away from my chickens.
You need more wheat, dude. There's ones out right here.
They have 2 other ones. I'm pretty sure they're okay.
Go get some more. Hey, dude, what max is? What is your max storage?
16. That's all I can carry.
Oh, I have 40.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do have that. My max storage is 40, and you can only teleport. I can't use your teleport.
I know you can't.
Dude, this new tech is pretty cool. It's let us teleport. But I'm trying to take old school farm life.
Thug life?
Nope. Not much bad in the farm. You get to use a sniper every day.
Hey, Jack, can you hear me okay through these walkie-talkies?
Yeah.
Okay. You there? The walkie-talkies are breaking up.
Yeah. I'm just at my base.
And until next time, this is the first episode of Farm Life Friends Forever. Peace.